Hello and welcome everyone. This is Santosh Baliga and this is a short video where I am going to discuss with you an amendment which has come across through MCA on small company which is defined under section 2 clause 85 of the Companies Act 2013. The amendment is with regards to the limits that has been provided in the conditions to be eligible to become a small company. So let us see the definition first of all. The definition covered under section 2 clause 85 says that a small company is a company which satisfies below conditions. The conditions includes the limits which has been provided and this limits को ही इन्होंने क्या किया है, अमेंड किया हुआ है. ओके, एमसीए को ऑलरेडी पावर दिया हुआ था एक्ट के अंदर दैट दे कैन प्रिस्क्राइब अप टू 10 crores ऑफ पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल एंड 100 crores ऑफ टर्नओवर. नाउ MCA through a notification come up with an amendment saying that they have increased the limit for paid up share capital to the full extent of 10 crores and turnover to the full extent of 100 crores. Okay, so the paid up share capital now, instead of the previous up to 4 crores, that is less than or equal to 4 crores, is now changed to 10 crores up to 10 crores. Okay, and the turnover part, which was up to or less than or equal to 40 crores, is now 100 crores. So this is the basic amendment that has come across in terms of limits for a small company. So it's not a small amendment, it's a big amendment because it changes the eligibility for which companies can apply for small company. So since they have increased the limit, there will be more companies which can use this facility of or this feature of small company. At the same time, all the other provisions, that is the exclusions part, remains the same. There is no changes in the exclusions part. The companies which are holding company or subsidiary company or section 8, that is a non-profit organization or a company governed by any special act, these cannot be classified as a small company. This exclusion part remains the same. Only thing is the limits have been चेंज. खाली लिमिट्स को चेंज किया गया है. पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल को अभी कर दिया गया है 10 करोड़ और टर्नओवर को कर दिया गया है 100 crores. दैट इज द ओनली चेंज. ओके, सो दैट्स इट फ्रॉम मी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. सी यू इन सम अदर वीडियो. बाय.